Crab, artichoke, and spinach dip. A great spin on a classic perfected in our Lincoln Impinger. First, we're going to start by combining all of our ingredients in a clean stainless steel bowl. We'll begin with our prepared Alfredo sauce. You can go with a high-quality jarred product or use the recipe that's included. Next, we're going to use whole baby spinach leaves. We don't have to tear these up or shrink them down or chop them up. These will be just fine as they are in the recipe. Followed by our diced up artichoke hearts, our grated Asiago cheese, and then finally our diced, crisped, and rendered bacon bits. Now those can be omitted if for some reason you don't want the bacon in there. And we want to stir this well to combine evenly. We are holding that crab off to the side for a specific reason, that we want the crab to remain in nice big pieces once it gets into the dip. Now we're going to gently incorporate the beautiful lump crab meat into the dip. Our dip is a thick mixture, so we want to be delicate with how we're folding this in. We certainly want that upscale, beautiful, large lump to show at the very end, so a gentle folding is all it takes. You can definitely see the nice large lump inside the mixture. And we're now going to go into our 10-ounce earthenware dish. As with all of our recipes, equal distribution is important for even cooking. And we're going to season with a little bit of our salt and pepper blend. Now you also have the option of adding a little bit of Old Bay seasoning to that mixture, either before or after it comes out of the oven. Be sure to set your dish at the middle of the oven belt at the beginning of the oven cycle. And per your recipe, your oven should be set at 500 degrees for a time setting of 5 minutes. Our 5 minutes is up, and what we see coming out of the oven, as usual, is evenly cooked, golden brown, nice and bubbly hot and perfected. Beautiful crab dip. Our dip is very colorful in nature, so we really don't need to add a garnish to it. It's beautifully colorful in and of itself. But in this instance, we're going to plate up with some wonderfully crisped whole wheat pita bread. You can certainly use breadsticks or some crackers. Your choice, really, but I think that you want to have plenty for dipping. This is a wonderful appetizer. It's great for casual theme, and it's a very fulfilling and upscale dip as an alternative to the traditional spinach and artichoke dip.